This is an adjoining room on a Royal Caribbean cruise, Navigator of the Seas, with the bunks down. So we're going in here, room 2266. It is a window room. Right here, straight off the bat, we have a closet. From that side, shut the door, closet from this side. I tried hanging a shoe rack thing in here and it didn't work. So keep that in mind because the hooks like fall right where that comes over. So that doesn't work, but I did hang it on the bar in here. We got a light switch there. Vanity with drawers. Bathroom. Mirrors. That mirror back there opens up for more storage. Shelf under the sink. Shower. There's a hook thing here in the shower to hang your swimsuits on. Well, we already had swimmers today and we just boarded. So in here we've got the bunks. So the bunks come down from the ceiling. There's 2 bunks. You can leave the bed into a king-size bed at the bottom, or you can separate up those into 2 twin-size beds. And then over here, we've got a chair, and there's the adjoining room door. The adjoining room door, we do have it open. And then this room in here just mirrors what this room looks like. So there you have it. Window view. Outlets. We have outlets over here. Outlets over here. I also noticed in the bathroom there is an outlet up here for a razor if you have that. That's what that looks like. Thanks for joining me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful.